The cat's mistress. Boarding begins with understanding cats first. New spaces can feel uncertain, so everything here follows clear structure. Predictable routines, quiet handling, and careful observation help each cat settle safely and at their own pace. Whiskey and Marble are resting for now, sleeping before the energy returns. Routine allows proper rest, play and appetite, and later the usual demands arrive for their chicken jerky treats. Kiko has started to enjoy her stay. Confidence comes slowly and correctly. Nothing forced, nothing rushed. Choice, repetition, and calm boundaries allow her to move comfortably through the space, secure in what to expect each day. Snowy's back after spending time at home. He takes a moment to look around, checking what's familiar, what's changed, because cats settle through recognition. When the environment stays consistent, they relax without being pushed. This is the cat's mistress. A boutique cat hotel where safety comes from structure and care is guided by responsibility and transparency. Every rule exists so each cat can stay calm, protected, and properly cared for while away from home.